Okay, welcome to LindseyJones University. This video is intended to help you learn how to log in to LindseyJones University. If you don't know what that is, this is a facility that helps respiratory therapists prepare for their CRT and RRT exams. So you can do practice what we call therapist multiple choice examinations here, and then of course you can do clinical simulations. I want to teach you how to log in, but first thing I want to show you is that you need to go on the internet to www.lindseyjonesuniversity.net. Now look what happens when I put .com in here. It definitely takes me to a place. This is really just for people who are considering using it, but if you already have your username and password because you've purchased from us or your instructors invited you to join, then you need to go to .net and you should get this login screen. And now here, of course, if you're a student, your email address is your login, but if you are a coordinator, then that might be a separate login, and then of course you can use your password here. And of course, if you've forgotten your password, you can use the forgot password function here. It'll send you an email and make sure we know who you are. But I'm going to go ahead and log in as a fictitious student here by clicking in this box, and I'm going to log in as Barry Harry. That's not a real person, that's just a fake person. So bharry@gmail.com here. And then of course I will log in with a password. I have a special password for that. There we go. And we'll log in. And when you do so, you should see something like this. This is your dashboard. And you can do all kinds of things from here. Right up here in the corner, you should be able to see that you can do clinical simulations, and then below that, exams. Now this dashboard is related to the home study. We'll click into the simulations here, and as you can see, there's a number of simulations that you can do, and you can begin it in teaching mode or testing mode. And if you're using this with a school, then the instructor may have turned some of those on or off, so you may see different arrangements of those. If you're using our complete home study, which is just an independent facility, then of course you'll see all these. So we'll go back to the dashboard by clicking over here, and then you can also go into the exam, multiple choice exam facility. I won't take you in there now. That's something that we can do on a different video, but I just want to give you a general overview of the dashboard. We also have some assisted teaching modules, some very short videos. This is kind of a neat box over here because this is where the audio is found. And this particular audio is the Start Here audio, and that's what you would run if you became a member. You'd run that audio to get to know the system, understand what you have here, gives you advice on how to study your book. And then, of course, when you want to get deeply into all the rest of the audio, then we have the therapist multiple choice exam audio, and then also the clinical simulation audio. 21 hours of audio. That's really kind of our home-based seminar, if you will. So that's how you can access that. You may, as you come in as a new student, you may find that some of these boxes have these other little messages hovering above here. You can see this, and it basically says, it talks about your performance information will appear once you begin participating in these exercises. So your dashboard may not look like much until you start doing a few exams, doing some simulations, and then graphically this dashboard will come alive and you'll start seeing all kinds of graphs related to yourself. This is one of my favorite boxes here. Here's where it starts to accumulate information regarding your strengths and weaknesses. I just clicked over here on the weaknesses, and you can use these exact same weaknesses to go back in, do exams, and focus on the areas that you're having difficulty with. Again, we'll tell you more about the system. We mostly just wanted you to see that you can log in and what you'll see when you do that. And so I hope that's helpful.